Hey everybody, Jim Malone here with Dallas Trading Floor. Well, the market is in correction. I am sold out of almost all my stocks. I got shut out of Tesla today. What can we do? Well, here's what I'm doing. I am doing spreads, but I'm doing bear spreads where the value of the trade goes up when the stock goes down. The trade I'm going to show you today is one I just entered on PayPal. Now, PayPal has been an absolutely terrific performer for the last year or so, but today it got removed from Investor Business Daily's long-term leader list, and I think it's going south, just like another stock that I did short called Viva Systems. So here's what I'm doing to profit from this downward trend. This is the weekly chart of PayPal. As you can see, since about September, it has been in this downward trend. So kind of what we're looking at here is we're looking at possibly thinking that this trend is going to move indeed a little bit lower. So what we're doing here is we are basically buying the upper puts and we're selling the lower puts for a March 18th expiration. This will increase in value. This value of the spread will increase in value if the stock continues on its downward trend. The out-of-cost expense for this one actually is 1/2 of this because I entered 2 contracts. So if you just want to go into this one, this will cost you a little bit less than $1,000 to enter this trade. Basically what I did here was I bought the 18th March 165 put, and then I simultaneously sold the March 145 put. Now normally I don't have a spread of this much. This is a 20%. This is a 20 spread, but I do believe because of the market conditions, this is justified. The maximum risk on this trade for the 2 contracts that I used here, you would divide this by 2 to get 1 contract, is 14.46, but the maximum return is a potential 25.54. There's about 176% potential gain on this, or about a little over 1,000% per annum if everything goes right. Now, that means that the trade has to end up below 157.77 at the end of the trade. Here's where I enter the trade. As you can see, if the stock continues to go down, we will hopefully end up in this money zone here, potentially with a total profit of 24.54. If you like what you see, go to the address below and find out more about this trade. You'll get the slide deck, but you'll also be on the Action Trade Alerts, which will alert you to other great trades in the near future. And of course, it's free.